Welcome to Land House. If you're like me, you really enjoy the Craig pocket hole joinery tool. The plugs you can buy for the pocket holes are about $8 for 50. I'm going to show you how you can use a 3/8 inch dowel for $1 or less to get much more than that. If you've never used a Craig pocket hole jig, they are pretty awesome. It basically just makes a steep angled hole so you can join two pieces of wood together. I'm going to use a clamp to keep this stationary on my table here. And I'm going to use this 2x4 to clamp back here. Okay. And the drill bit has a very specific height set to it. To plug this, it's quite simple. Take your 3/8 inch dowel and push it into the hole until it stops moving. Now, just take a saw. I like the Japanese pull saw here. Go up under the work and you start sawing that off at a steep angle. There we go. We've essentially plugged the hole like that. Now you can see it's got just a little bit of a lip there. And to remedy that, you can just use a piece of sandpaper or a sander. And there you have it. A nicely plugged pocket hole screw. Now, you'll notice that on the dowel, there is now the sharp cut. You can actually take your saw and come up about a 1/2 inch and cut this again, and you will have another plug. If you buy the official Craig pocket hole plugs, you'll get 50 in a box for between $7 and $8. But if you buy a dowel, sometimes you can find these for about 75 cents for this 4-foot piece. So you can just imagine you can get a lot more out of one of these, and the work is not that much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.